just kind of maybe take two here, and I don't. You already talked about the history of the engine. I'll just kind of talk through a little bit of the process to start.
Yeah.
So, okay, ready?
You're on.
Okay, so to start this engine, it's not quite like jumping in the cab of your truck and turning the key to start it up. It's a hand crank. So this is your starter, and so the engine has a compression release that holds the intake valve open, so that you can turn the crank by hand and get it spinning with the compression release open. And then once it's up to speed, you can close the compression release, and it'll build compression and start. So we will go ahead and give that a try. So I'm going to open up the fuel speed control knob here. And alright, so you maybe not.
So do you need to prime it again, you think?
Let me try it just once.
It looked like it was wanting to go.
It was close. Do we want to start over?
Oh, you good?
No, we started it.
I'll edit that part out.
Yeah.
That's what he didn't want to have happen when he's got a 15 or 20 customers.
Greg, thank you.